I was looking for a way to travel more. I remember when booking travel was stressful, having to request time off from work and hoping that it may or may not be approved, as well as the bill that came with booking travel and lodging and transportation. And if you're like me, you have a family. We're a family of four, so it's not just a 1x bill, it's a 4x bill. You have to buy four seats, you have to buy four meals every time you go out. Man. And not only is there a bill for actually booking the trip, you have food and trinkets and travel and entertainment while you're on the trip that you're having to pay for, being it cash or putting it on credit cards, just perpetuating a bill that you have to worry about when you get back home at some point. You're not even able to thoroughly enjoy your trip. And then you always telling yourself, I should have took that extra day off, but we need to get back to the money. So instead of taking that extra day off on the back end of the trip, you go right to work, jet lagged, exhausted, and again, didn't get to thoroughly enjoy your trip because it ended, it feels like, as soon as it started. Fast forward to me finding this 2 hour daily blueprint that helped me to start an online business within 48 hours just a few short months ago. Now, when I go on trips, it's a whole different landscape. I was able to get this business set up in 48 hours. There was no tech involved. The company actually set the website and all the tech up for me, so there's nothing for me to do there. There's no selling or telling, and I started from zero without having to have a following. And the system is out there working for me 24/7. So now when I travel, it's a little bit different. Sales are coming in while I'm heading to the trip. I remember us walking to brunch, and instead of worrying about the brunch bill that was coming, a sale came in that covered the brunch bill and beyond to be able to take care of the day. It was a whole different paradigm to be in. So, if you're looking for a way to travel more stress free, in that it actually puts money in your pocket and you're able to travel wherever you want, whenever you want, and the business is continuing to work for you with you being present or not, I would love to share this blueprint with you. If you have 2 hours a day, it would be perfect for you to get started to be able to win and explore the world with your family. Put ready in the comments, and I would love to send you a copy of this blueprint.